This is TELESIN Master Grip that turns your iPhone 17 Pro Max into professional mirrorless camera. Not only ergonomically but with pro controls such as two-stage shutter and zoom rocker in addition to many other features. Let's unbox it to see what's in the box. First thing you will see is the graphene case, very light, the instruction books, and probably the warranty papers and the snap-on LED lights. This small box contains the refined premium quality strap and the USB charging cord. This is the UV filter. Here is the master grip. Okay, I snapped on my phone, it's charging. That's the function button, the shutter and the zoom rocker. You can also mount it on a tripod or a monopod. I'm gonna snap on the case. The case doesn't feel bulkier. That's the button to power on and off the power bank. That's how you snap the filter. They offer many other variety of filters. You can check it on their website. CPL filter, the VND filter, the Black Pro Mist filter. The main three problems that you face for recording for a longer period of time is battery, heat, and the grip. This solves all three of them. It justifies the purchase by focusing on the professional feel rather than just the specs. The added weight, the leather texture, and the physical shutter click make you more intentional with every single frame. For me, the creator combo is the sweet spot. Getting the magnetic light and the UV filter right out of the box save you so much time and money down the road. Let me know in the comment what you guys think of it.